Hello, my lovely friend. Good morning, guys. So today I have come here just for prune all these branches you can see, and it's making so huge messy. So that's why I have come here just for break all these branches into a small pieces with an axe. This is called an axe, and guys, to be honest with you, it has a strong power and as well as it is very sharpness, so it will be help for me. So you can see, and also the branches has so many leaves and twigs and as well as the sticks, so which is making so messy. So that's why, guys, today I have come here in this winter morning just for prune all these branches. So let's make some sentences, guys. So in the past I was pruning these branches with an axe, and the future I'm pruning these all branches with an axe, and the future I will be pruning these all branches with an axe. So this is the way I am learning English all the while. So guys, I'm gonna be show you after the result. All right, so let's see. So guys, you can see the final result. Everything is perfect here after prune all the branches into the pieces size, so you can see. And this is the way I'm learning English every single day, guys. So if you also want to learn English, guys, so learn English practically and follow me for more.